My forehead meets the glass, cold as a held breath. Amber smears drift past, like names I almost had. My coat on my knees, hands folded small. The dark keeps moving, and I let it. Still, I don't ask where. Still, I just stay there. Rest my head on the cold, cold pane. Watch the amber blur, call my name. Rest my head till I fade to white. Roll me home through the black of night. Hums low under all we know, a blur of sharp signs in the wet window. My eyes go heavy, my thoughts go slow. Every broken light says don't let go. Still, I don't ask where. Still, I just stay there. Rest my head on the cold, cold pane. Watch the amber blur, call my name. Rest my head till I fade to white. Roll me home through the black of night. Drift off now, let the rails keep time. Let the dark unpack all the weight I hide. Rest my head on the cold, cold pane. Watch the amber blur, call my name. Rest my head till I fade to white. Hold me close through the black of night.
The station fades behind us, steel sings through the dark. Your hand finds my sleeve, then slips to my waist. The windows go blind, the world gets swallowed whole. I hold my breath with you as the tunnel takes us in. No shape, no street, just your outline near. The car rocks slow and you pull me here. Closer in the black, closer, hold me there. Closer in the black, you know I'm right here. Closer in the black, your grip says it all. Closer in the black, we don't let past turns to nothing. A long hush falls down, your shoulder against mine, like a promise in the dark. Somewhere past the road, the ceiling starts to glow. I feel your fingers tighten at the waist of the unknown. No map, no sky, just this moving room. Your heartbeat lines the edge of the gloom. Closer in the black, closer, hold me there. Closer in the black, you know I'm right here. Closer in the black, your grip says it all. Closer in the black, we don't let go. When the tunnel goes on and on, I learn your shape by touch. Every passing mile pulls you into me more. Closer in the black, closer, hold me there. Closer in the black, you know I'm right here. Closer in the black, your grip says it all. Closer in the black, we don't let go.
Red numbers on the wall, 300 again. Your shoulder is a harbor, I'm folding into it. My eyelids get so heavy, like sand and salted rain. You touch me once and steady the whole dark in my brain. Hold me through the hush, let the minute fade. That glow won't move me if you stay this way. 300, stay close. 300, stay low. I lean on you, I go slow. I lean on you, I go slow. Low and soft, we breathe. Low and soft, we know. 300, stay close. 300, stay low. The window shakes with nothing, just there against the glass. Your shirt smells like the moment that wants to drift and pass. I trace the edge of sleeping with one hand on your sleeve. The red light keeps on speaking, but I don't need to leave. Hold me through the hush, let the minute fade. That glow won't move me if you stay this way. 300, stay close. 300, stay low. I lean on you, I go slow. I go slow, low and soft. We breathe low and soft. We know 300. Stay close. 300. Stay low. If morning comes too early, let it wait outside. We can keep this small and holy in the sea.